an Islamic saint figure named Abu Muhammad Abdullah Ibnu Ahmad Ibnu Al-Baitar Dia ad-Din Al-Malaki, commonly known as Ibnu Al-Baitar, was born in the Andalusian city of Malaga in the year 1197. He was the son of a veterinarian. Ibnu Al-Baitar was one of the greatest scientists of Muslim Spain and also a well-known botanist and pharmacist. Ibnu Al-Baitar was interested in botany from an early age. He learned botany from Abu al-Abbas al-Nabati, a botanist, with whom he started collecting plants in and around Spain. Al-Nabati is an extraordinary botanist. He is also known as the early developer of scientific methods, the first to introduce empirical and experimental testing techniques, the identifier and description of various medicinal materials, and the maker of reports and observations to verify various medicinal plants previously discovered by others. This approach of Al-Nabati was later adopted by Ibnu Al-Baitar. In 1219, he left Spain on a plant collecting expedition and traveled along the northern coast of Africa as far as Anatolia. He traveled to increase his knowledge and experience. He traveled across North Africa between the years 1220 to 1223 to visit Bugia, Constantinople, Tunis, Tripoli, Barca, and Adalia. In the year 1224, in Alexandria, he entered the service of Malik al-Kamil, the Egyptian ruler, and became the chief botanist of the Egyptian Ayyubid Sultanate. Ibnu Al-Baitar also conducted extensive research in botanics in the Middle East and trained many students in Cairo and Damascus. He also checked information about plants with observations and experiments and introduced many plants and medicines to medical literature. He also conducted research on animals and minerals. He was recognized as the greatest botanist of his time. Ibnu Al-Baitar died in Damascus in 1248.
Ibnu Al-Baitar produced several books, and the most famous is Kitab Al-Jami lil-Mufradat al-Adwiyah wal-Awdiyah, the books of medicinal and nutritional terms. This book is the best known work from Ibnu Al-Baitar's. It's also acknowledged as the largest plant and drug book of the Middle Age. The book is more detailed and most of the plant characteristics mentioned by him are not touched on in the works of Dioscorides or Ibn Sina. Based on this book, he stated about essential oils and hindiba. Ibnu Al-Baitar contributed much to the world of essential oils, especially as used in therapies and treatments. Essential oils are generally created through the process of distilling, which is using steam to extract the oil from the plant. The result is a concentrated hydrophobic liquid. It is these compounds that make essential oils what they are, potential remedies for various ailments and powerful aromatic agents. This is why the use of essential oils for treatment of medical conditions is called aromatherapy. Essential oils can do everything from curing what distresses people to freshening spaces. And one of Ibnu Al-Baitar's most remarkable achievements was the discovery of the anti-cancer effects of the plant named hindiba, which Ibnu Al-Baitar later identified as having anti-cancer properties, and which can be used to treat tumors and neoplastic disorders. Ibnu Al-Baitar's second major and main work is Kitab Al-Mughni fi Al-Adwiyah Al-Mufrada, Book of Simple Drugs and Food. This book is an encyclopedia of Islamic medicine which incorporates his knowledge of plants used extensively for the treatment of various ailments, including diseases related to the head, ear, eye, and other parts. Kitab Ma La Yasa'u Al-Tabib Jahlul is another manuscript by Ibnu Al-Baitar. This manuscript is a well-organized of medical treatment manual which explains the evolution of the healing art within the Middle Age. It is a compendium of Ibnu Al-Baitar based on the Kitab Al-Jami' lil-Mufradat al-Adawiyah, with some additions related with nutrition and medicine. The works of Ibnu Al-Baitar became a very important botanical reference book. The involvement of Ibnu Al-Baitar greatly influenced the further development of botany and medicine, both in Europe and Asia. Yes, he is Ibnu Al-Baitar, one of the greatest scientists of Muslim Spain and also a well-known botanist and pharmacist.